Look what I got. It doesn't look like much, but trust me, it is much. Give me a minute to get this out. Look at it, it's beautiful. An Xbox One S. As you can see, it's perfectly packaged. Totally didn't open it yet. Anyway, we're just gonna unbox this. Just give me a minute to open the back box. Just stare up at the wall for a minute. Also, face reveal. I know, I revealed my face. Who cares about you dumb instructions? So here's the controller. These are the connecting cables, I think. Batteries to the controllers. Here. Oh, and I gotta make a little room for this one. Here we got the main console. Let's take this bad boy out. Here's the Xbox. I'm just gonna take it out slowly. Oh, jeez, this thing's heavy. Okay, let's roll this down. Here's the Xbox. Yeah, it's okay. We got the DVD player, so you can just put in any game you want, kind of. I'm gonna do a Fallout gameplay. Here's the way to start the console. Okay, now we got the top part. It's a little dusty, but that's okay. Just to remind you guys, this is a, it's going to be a small video and short, but it's okay. Yeah. Just drink some water. Anyway, just let this around. And guys, don't say I need a cameraman. I don't need one. Here's the mechanism here. If you can't really see it that well, bummer for you. Okay, so here, I don't know if you guys know what this is, but comment down below if you do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Got a Wii-owned controller. A, B, Y, X, and it's like, okay. And I have a box that will be used in a future video. Just don't ask. Okay, bye.